How we doing? Hello, hello? Hello, hello, how we doing? Alright, well... Okay, so, my name's Frizz. This is TradeWithFrizz right now. And welcome. So, yeah, no, all this little 9 financial advice page. First time streaming. This is really mainly just for my accountability. Something comes with it awesome. We're gonna start off and do hello. We're gonna start off and do Ant. I have an account I'm starting with 250 buying power, and yeah, we're gonna try to do simple strategies, stick to it, talk my way through it all, make sure I'm doing the right things, and then going from there. Right now the 10 o'clock just opened and it looks like we're pushing up higher. If we close in the next 2.5 minutes high, then I believe we're going to keep pushing. So that's what we're looking at right now. We'll see what it delivers us price wise. Let's see where it can take us to. So if we go ahead and zoom out a little, let's go to the 5. We'll stick to the 5. We'll do this right here. Zoom out here. So right now it looks like it's about to break into this fair value gap. Very big one. So we are very bearish, it looks like, until we cross here, this range. I would say that we're bearish. So it's making lower lows. So what I would do is just keep this in mind here. We just entered a fair value gap. So we could really get into a low if we wanted to right now. And the stop loss would be here. So I only have 250 buying power. So right now I would get liquidated probably around here. So we're going to wait until it hits the second fair value gap for sure. I think we're going to have an alert in case that ever happens. Again, on 5 minutes, we like a 5 minute, it's this ICT strategy. It actually works. I've back tested it a few times. Silver bullet strategy. And what would happen is starts on the 10 minutes, and the first fair value gap in the 10 minutes that it creates, basically whenever he touches it you enter, and then the stop loss would be I like this last swing low, but it would be the low of whatever created the fair value gap. So it probably would be, so this is the first fair value gap right here at 10, so it would be like here would be it, which makes sense because that would be the entrance of the other fair value gap. When we jumped, it is still pushing up. We have 20 seconds left. I think we're gonna be bullish for a little bit. But we will see. 9 seconds. Good. Let's see what happens here. So what I would do would be right here would be the entry, but God, it's so small. It would be the entry, but to me it's so fucking small. Let's see if we go back. But We are bearish. See, this is where the inconsistencies come in, guys. It's when we overthink. So if I was to mark it, it would be right here. Which we don't need this here right now. So we right here. We look on the 1 minute, it's about to hit it. But even on the 1 minute, it says it's right there, but there's nothing here that shows that we should get in. It would be lower, right around here, this fair value gap. 21.75. But look, it hit it and it looked like it's might be bouncing. We're not getting in. We're just going to look at it and talk through it. But this would be the area, I would say, we get in if we did. This is not the trade I want to do for the first trade. Definitely not. Alright, I do want to play a little bit of background music or something though. Yeah. Alright, we're pushing lower. Let's see what happens. Lower, and it's kind of pushing back up. We'll see if it holds or not. Looks like it's so in general it hit the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So if we're looking at a bigger chart, it's going down. That's if we're looking at a bigger chart. So so that's the 1 minute, but it's gonna hit the 1 minute right here, so we just gotta see it, and it's in the 5 minute right now, right there. So is it gonna make an inverse, or is it gonna hold and keep pushing higher? That's the questions we gotta like really figure out here. Looks like it's pushing lower. Looks like it's just blowing through all of it. That's what it looks like. Don't know yet. At least it can go down here and push this, and that's a bearish sign. Right here's the fair value gap it's in. So it's hit a 5 minute, it's hit a 1 minute, but we still don't know. Looks bearish to me. I see that swing low right there that I think it wants to go down to, but it could reverse straight up and I could get fucked. So it's in a fair value gap. It does look bearish. If it breaks the fair value gap, it's going to go to the swing low. If it doesn't break the fair value gap, it's going to push back up. So it looks like it's breaking it. And it's probably going to break that swing low in 21,440. At least get very close to it. It's going down, but it's not filling at all. We'll see. And now it's pushing back up. See what's happening. So it doesn't look good on the close. It looks like it's pushing up again. And it could dump. It probably will dump. The way it's holding up. But it's an indecisive. It's in a fair value gap. We don't really know where it's going down or up. It might go up, retouch that inverse, and go back down too. So that's my music. I'm almost at some FKJ. You guys like FKJ? Alright, I think we are pushing down. That's big, that's big. I think we are. Push down, push down. I wanted to break that lower low first. I just wanted to do that. I really do. I'm interested. Yeah, it could go straight back up too, so, but I'm thinking we're pushing. It's breaking this one. I think we're going into this one. 26, 28 fair value gap. I think it's going to try to, oh, there's a, not even that. There's a volume bounce at 37. So look at for the 37 mark. That's what I'm thinking. It's a good push. It's a good final ending. We're looking to take some profit around 37. It needs to go lower. Pushes, good pushes, good pushes. It's not wanting to go down. Not heavy. I want a heavy push. Come on, 37s. There we go. There we go. There we go. Look what happened. Hit the volume imbalance. It didn't go through. So, good shit. And now it's pushing back up. It's very weird today. In full disclosure, I'm doing a prop firm account on this one below. That's what you guys are looking at. I want to pass it first. I think we're gonna break those lows. I'm gonna let it sit though for a second because it's not worth the extra 20. But here, I think I can show you it and then go back. Let's see if I can do it. Well, I can just drag it over here. So this is my prop firm account that I have. I'm following 3 different ones. Right now we're at 863 profit today. Look at that. It just broke lower there. It's good. Overall, we've traded 2 days, and I'm at 1,500 total, which is actually exactly where I kind of want to be. It's pretty good. So yeah, I mean, that number the first day, second day. So that's pretty good. I need 3,000 to pass the accounts. Are they all? Oh yeah, they're all good. So in my mindset, I wanted over 1,500 because that's the most you can make in one day. You can't have more than 50% consistency in a day. So I'm at a good spot. I can stop trading this one if I really wanted to. It's pretty volatile. It hit the level I wanted, the lower one. It hit here, below here, which was the like 956 low. I think it is gonna still go lower though. It's 5 minute. It's not popped up. It broke through there and it made this. So I think next time we break this, I think I'm gonna get in a low, and the stop loss is gonna be there. So, and if we want to exit things, we're gonna do a trend phase fib. We're gonna say we're gonna get in here with, that's the fair value. So it went to here. Stop loss away here. I did that one wrong, duh. Let's redo it. It's like it's my first time. Get in here. I did that wrong again. What am I doing? Alright, trend-based fib extension. Is it because it's an extension? What am I doing? Retracement. Is that it? Am I stupid? I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Holy shit. It's still going down, so it doesn't matter, but fuck. The plan is to get it up in there. Let's see what I want here. Alright, that would be that. So that would be the goal. Okay. So get in here. First. This would be there. This would be the goal. It wouldn't be. It would be the opposite. It has to. Holy fuck. And God, no one watches this shit. Look at that. Yeah, it would be. No, it fucking wouldn't. I'm so confused. Am I just doing the same thing over and over? I think it just needs to be opposite, like flipped. I've never, this is unbelievable how confused I am right now. Unbelievable. Why I can't do that? That's crazy. I just know that that's the goal where I would want to get back in, but it also did break there, so it's going there to retouch, so we could get in one time there with the stop loss right there and see what happens, so could do that. Yeah. Do stop loss up there. Say it'll go down to back down to here. That's right, but that don't look good. Fucking knew it. So one right there as well. Ew. Right there, that fair value gap. I think it's going to hit top. I think that was a stupid entry. That's why we're not going into that one. Hey! This is see. It's called luck now because this is called gambling and we don't want to do this. I mean, I think it's going down, but obviously I wasn't sure. Like you can hear it in my breath. But all we need is 640. We can't get more than 640. Yeah. Looks like it worked out. Maybe. Hey! We're not, no, leave me alone. I'm working. Wait. Are you looking at me lose money? Shut up. Look, guys. We think we're going down. We're in downward trend. We think we're going down. I don't think it's going to break this high again. If it goes down, we're good for the day on this account. Which I think it is, so. We're going to hold it. We're going to leave it. We're going to let time fly. Losing money. pushing up, making new highs, but it hasn't crossed that. Right now in my head I'm thinking, is it worth it? Is it worth the risk? Because if it goes down I'm going to be a little upset. But if I lose my money, will I be more upset? I think we're going down. We've been going down this whole time. Obviously I think we're going down. We're on the green. We said we're convicted. We said we're holding it. We're just going to hope it goes through. I need to change my money to my charts. I need to where it has the... I need where I see it. I don't know why it doesn't have that. Come on, go down. Ugh, so impatient. Alright, I gotta move the live. I gotta move me. So we're gonna go. Oh, let's go. We're going down. Alright, so we gotta do. Produce. False. I think it's called transform. That's a volume imbalance it just hit right there. Is it gonna break through it? What is happening? It just broke right through it. Right there is a volume imbalance. It should not have happened. It's gonna go up. I lost it. Whatever. It's okay. We're up. It's going to go up, I think now. We're gonna move I need to rotate my guy. So if we're positioned to 20, that's 20 more, so that's... So let's go to 19. Alright. Is that better? I feel like it's better. I think we did it. Can you see? I think you can see me good. You're so pretty that, can you? Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Look at this. Up, and then it drops back down. It crosses that and then drops back down. It makes me want to get back in, bro. I fucking know it. Ugh! We're not doing it. We're going back to this. Alright, so remember this was my thing we're going to. Okay, so 5 minutes. We're seeing if it breaks here, we're going down. It's going up here. Looks good. Right there's a 5 minute fair value gap as well. So we could get in one here, but 255, so 320. Yeah, we could get in one here. I think I'm gonna get in one here. We're gonna sell one here and see what happens. Okay, we can't. Because we're in margin. This is why we go into this one. Alright, so we're going to sell that with the stop loss at 330. And then we have another entry we can get in a little bit higher as well if we wanted to. So we're gonna get in a multiple here. We're gonna get like, there we go. And then we'll get in again up here if we need. Right here, we're gonna make a note. All right, look at that. It's dropping. It's an inverted fair value gap. It hit right here as well. Inverted fair value gap is when a fair value gap gets made right here. Like so. Terrible describing stuff. So fair value gap is when it's made like here. This is a fair value gap. So this green bar on 5 minutes. What happened is it touched it again, but it broke the whole thing. So that makes it inverted. So what I'm going to do is we're going to change it to inverted. And now it's used as a support for a downtrend. You see how it hit it right here, and now it's going down. So that's where we're looking at. It might not go up there again. That's why I wanted to get in here. Also, when we see candles like this, I always think there needs to be a wick to it. So like this is still an extension basically of these two candles. So it needs to go back up and touch it and fill this gap. It basically has a gap right here as well. So and that's what it did. It just filled this gap. It looks good. It looks like we're going down. Let's go back here. That looks good. Like I said, I wanted to get in, but it's okay. So how far down do we really want to take this is the question. If we're looking, let's look at, did we already cross the low of the day? We did. We already did cross the low. So we could be in the middle. It could be going for a high. You never know. The next target after this low is this volume imbalance right here. So 950 would be a target that we'd like to go to. So if we go ahead and move this down to 950, that's where we kind of want to go to. Look at that. We're going back up. We're going good. Profit-wise, I'm making my money back. I think it just hit a swing low. So let's take a little profit. So that's a swing low right here. The next one we're going to take more profit off when it hits another swing low right here. So let's just move this down here. And then after that, we can take one more profit here. Also, I need to switch the stop loss. I don't want to lose money. 63. Honestly, I want to get to 50. What are we at? It's $200. That would be really cool if I could. But I'm not going to be greedy. We're gonna be okay. Like I said, we're up. This is also 3 accounts. I need to remember that. Like, and the whole goal is to make $200 a day. That's profitable. We're at fucking 639. Sorry, language. Times that by 3, man. We're that's almost $2,000. I made $2,000 yesterday. 666. So it's a mental thing, guys. It's a mental thing. We want to start entering with limit orders. That's what we want to switch. I mean, things are volatile, especially with this kind of market, but limit orders are the goal. See, look at that. We don't know what it's really doing. It went down, it broke to make a new low, and then it looks like it's going to go right back up, honestly. It doesn't look like It looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I'm okay with that. We'll watch it. Probably do that again. I don't want to lose money. Look at that. Yeah. It's very volatile. It's going up. It's crossing things. It's going straight back down. Is it gonna make another low? Or it's gonna go up and cross this high? Or not? Let's get in and see. It's not crossed highs yet. Like ever. Alright, we can sacrifice 40. 300, that'll be. Maybe that didn't go down there. Let's see that. Yeah. It's right over there. I don't think it's. Just going back and forth. We're done. I can't do it. We're going back and forth here. So the goal was, that's a fair value gap. I thought it was hitting that. I didn't think it was going to bounce up again. But it just keeps going back and forth, man. Yeah, I don't like that. And see, you look at this shit, because then it hit the inverse. Like we're saying, it hit the inverse, and look, it's not crossing it. Silly, silly, silly Josh. Silly Josh. We're gonna get in again. Bad entry. Bad entry. But I know it's going down. Fuck. Silly. Damn. I hit that one, so we'll see what happens. It's making lower. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah, look at this shit. Going down there for sure. We're gonna wait till it crosses that low. We're gonna hopefully wait to bounce right back up under there. Like I said, 50. I'm gonna make a new low. Yeah, that's it. If not, we'll take our losses and we'll break even today. But it's volatile. Damn. Start of the first 2 minutes, the 5-minute thing. So if it does go through there, breaks there, this is kind of where it had. So 83, so 50. It'll go down 50 if it breaks. Like right here. That's what I'm gonna do. Come on. I don't like it. I want to be out. I don't like this market. I think it's going down. We're going to leave it just because basically it's all profit. But I don't like it, man. I don't like today. It's slow. I thought it was going to be fast with the news. It's pushing down, man. Look at this. It's pushing down. Should be going to 118, 115 easily. Like easily. Silly. We got an hour at 11 o'clock. Hopefully at 11 o'clock the hour is going to push it. What are we at with the 1 hour? 207. It's creating a fair value gap. Hopefully in the next 10 minutes, it closes to 198. That is the goal. And then we're pushing lower, man. I want to go down. Fuck you. Yeah, man. We got 8 minutes left. This is pushing down. I wanted to close this 198 right here so it doesn't have a fair value gap that I have to worry about. That's the goal right here. Yeah, if it goes back up there, I'll be really upset. No way. No way. I'm not just looking at this chart and making it make sense, right? Like, I know people try to do that when they wanted to do something. Like, I see this right here, but it's 1 minute. This can't be that strong. We're here at an hour and it hit this. I mean, it's gotta close. It's fair. Yeah, come on. We got 7 minutes left. If it closes there, I'll be happier. I'll be able to at least maybe take a profit for a little bit of it. That's good. There we go. There we go. Let's buy one at 198. We bought one. I'm thinking $30 difference right now. Just buy one right now. Fucking, just get one in there. Get one in your pocket. So we can still buy lower because we're expecting to go down to like one. Yeah, expecting to go down to here basically. Is there anything right here would be, I guess. Look at that, 198. Yeah. Let's take one more. I want a 198 anyway. Yeah, we're just gonna take profit on this. We're up 1,000. So fuck yeah. If it somehow does that, then sure. Break me up to $1,300, but I don't see it going that low the whole time. So again, I'll be super happy if it does, but if not, we did 1,000, and I'm okay with that. Good shit. Good shit. Look at that. Look at that. We knew it was going down. I fucking knew it was going down. Sorry for cursing. I knew it was going down. Sweaty a little bit, but it did now. So now we're just going to hold and we're going to let it ride. And we're going to hope along the way it just doesn't go back up. I just wanted to keep going down. I think it's going to go back up. I think it's got to hit this again. 198. How ironic. 198. Yeah, it's about to end on 3 minutes low, and then it's going to go up again, probably touch the 198, and then go down and get this low that we want. But I'm just happy that I got this, so see? Whoop 1,000 today, babies. And now what's good news? See, it's gonna end 198. I am done with this. My total profit is almost 1,700, which means I just need 1,300 more basically too. 1,325 for this account and even less for these boys. 1,305 for this one. 1,303 for that one. Very good. Look at that. Did it. Got my sale. Got that out of the way. And now it's going back up. I'm happy. I'm very happy with this one. I wish I could trade with this one today, but it wouldn't let me. I'm assuming because of how much news we had and how volatile the markets, it makes me have, I believe, 5x or 4x more liquidity than what you would average need if you're trading this. Just because of how fast things move. So, like, for instance, it's $2 per, so this is just in 1 hour. It went from 517 to 165, so that's 350-ish, which is $700 in just one contract. So it makes sense why they don't allow you if you don't have the capital. All right. Well, I appreciate you guys sticking with me. Oh wait, we got someone commenting in the chat. I didn't even notice this. Look at us. What's up, Jonathan? Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. This is gonna be funny. I don't even know. When did he comment in here? I wish you could see all this stuff. Timestamps. Hey, there we go. You commented. Oh, that was 35 minutes ago. I'm sorry, brother. But let's really do look at Bitcoin. I don't know. We'll look at it real quick. It's also 11 o'clock. Perfect time to end the trade. Bitcoin, all-time highs right here. 112. Oh my god. What do we want now? Is this 1 hour? Right here is a fair value gap. Touched it, went down, broke it. Couldn't break that again. I think we're going back down. At least to 110. I think we're gonna retest 109. Maybe make it the swing low at 106. But it looks like it looks like I made a high for the day, basically, is what I'm saying. So I look at 3 bar patterns. 7, so this went up plus 12 plus 1% plus 2.6 and plus 1%. Usually the ones are bigger when it's bullish, so when it gets back down into here, I believe it's going to go back down in here tomorrow. It'll probably hit this and run up again. Yeah. And then if it breaks this, I think we're going to go on a downtrend. So it's breaking. Buy if it goes into here. I would buy if it goes back into 109.3. But I'm an XRP, so this is the boy I'm looking at. And right here is a fair value gap. We need to break this and break up. And then we're going to look to make these new highs, 300. So, but if not, then we're going to go. It's going to go low to complete the fair value gap around 216. So we will see. Alright. I appreciate you guys being with me. We're gonna just keep trying to do this every day. So this is a good trading day. We had good results, but what I want to improve on is I need to determine a bias. I think I need to determine an overall bias for the day better. Look at that. It went to 198 and it's still going up. We did a very good move. I'm very proud of myself selling, not going back in. I need to determine an overall bias better. For sure. Like, I want to go into the day thinking, okay, down or up. I went in thinking down, like, after that initial 15 minute, like, 9:30. For instance, there's one time. It's a meek. Oh, bless me. So, yeah, 8:30 was bullish. 9:30 bullish. But we have this huge fair value gap right here. And we have that yesterday at 1:30. And then that is a big boy. We also have another one right above and a smaller one even above that. So what happened is, so let's just say we take a fib retracement from this to this. We'll do this. We will do this, honestly. That was the low for yesterday. Right here, you guys can see it broke that 50%. It broke 50. Right when it broke 50, it broke into there. And right when it hit there, we're just going down. It just went down and it made that low. It went back into the 25% quartile and it never had a closed gap. Meaning it looks for bullish, it just went to liquidate and now it's looking for bullish. So there's so many ways you could read charts. It's so interesting, man. It really is. I'm gonna have to talk about it because just take it any way you want. Okay. The most dominant thing is bearish. It's hit the bearish and it didn't show a sign of any bullish yet. We went in on the bearish. If we were smart, that would have been our actual liquidation with it, but instead we tried to break it down and go into like a 1 minute or something and do a better entry. So that's our 15 right there. 9:45. So yeah, like this. And then we went in bearish. This. When it broke this and didn't, it broke it. I went in here, honestly. Because this was the sign for me. Just all in imbalance. And then I went back into here. And into here again. And then same thing. I go down. You go down again. Same thing. Can't! I'm not doing another one because I like where I'm at. But you go down 256. Just $10. Boy, would have been wrong. Would have been wrong. Alright, I'm wrong. I would have been wrong. I don't know what I'm talking about. I have no clue what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm really done. It's good talking. We're gonna do this a lot. Hopefully, over time, I can look at my progress and see where we're coming from to where we're gonna be. We didn't lose money today on this account. That's fucking awesome. Sorry for language. And we did well on this one, man. So all three. We made $3,000 right here. We made $2,000 yesterday, so it's good. It's cool. Too bad it's all a combine. But alright, guys. I appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Yeah. Thank you for joining, and maybe we can do this again. We need to figure out endings. We need to figure out welcomings. We need to figure out the moments in between so it's not as awkward. But let's try to do auto stop. If I do pause, what is it? C0P? No, that's not it.